Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from Verastem, a company focused on developing new cancer treatments. Get ready for a bit of a roller coaster because this report has some exciting developments and a few potential bumps in the road. It's like finding out you won a free trip, but the catch is you have to pack your bags in 5 minutes. Verastem just released some new information about a drug they're working on for pancreatic cancer, along with the results of their annual shareholder meeting. We'll break down what this all means for the company and its future. If you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Come join us. This report is called an 8K, which is a form companies use to announce major events to their investors. This one is packed with updates, including positive news about their cancer drug trial. The date of the report is May 22, 2022, 2025. Let's start with the annual meeting. Stockholders or shareholders voted on a few key proposals. One was electing directors. Directors are basically like the supervisors of the company, making sure things are going in the right direction. The people elected were John Johnson, Michael Kaufman, and Eric Rowinski. They will serve as Class I directors until the annual meeting in 2028. John Johnson got 29,000 and 22,852 withheld rot, and Eric Rowinski had 5,400 votes for Hend. Eric Rowinski managed to get 27,490,856 votes. Count the votes withheld is basically saying these votes did not go for the candidate, so we want lower numbers here. John Johnson had 3,776 votes withheld. Weld and Eric Rowinski had 5,135 and 7 Johnson had 3,008. And 21/4 of at Michael Kaufman had only 5,25 on 500 on Michael. Ra522 withheld odd, and Eric Rowinski had 5,155, 1,155,076 votes withheld. Next, the shareholders ratified, which is like approving the selection of Ernst & Young LB as their accounting firm. This is important because Ernst & Young will be making sure Verastem's financial statements are accurate. The stockholders voted on an advisory basis, meaning it's not binding about the compensation for the company's top executives. Basically, they were asked if they thought the executives were being paid fairly. The majority voted in favor, but it's worth noting there were a significant number of votes against it too. Now let's get to the exciting part. The drug trial. Verastem issued a press release announcing updated safety and efficacy results from the RAMP25 trial. This trial is testing avutometinib and defactinib in combination with standard treatments for metastatic pancreatic cancer, which is pancreatic cancer that has spread to other parts of the body. The company plans to discuss the updated results of RAMP2-5 at an investor event in June. This means they are going to give a presentation and answer questions about the trial. According to the report, as of April 25, 2025, 60 patients had been treated with different doses of the combination drug, along with gemcitabine and nab-paclitaxel, which are standard chemotherapy drugs. These patients all had frontline metastatic pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma, which is a type of pancreatic cancer that has spread and hasn't been treated before. In the dose level 1 group, an impressive 83% of patients achieved partial responses. A partial response means the tumor shrunk by a certain amount, which is a good sign. Because of these results, the company is moving forward with this dose level and enrolling more patients. Looking at all the dose groups, 92% of patients showed tumor reduction. Also, the side effects were consistent with what they'd seen before, with no new major safety concerns. Verastem is planning a phase 3 trial, which is a large late-stage trial needed for drug approval to begin in 2026. So what does all this mean? Verastem had a successful annual meeting, electing directors and getting their accounting firm approved. More importantly, the early results from their pancreatic cancer drug trial are promising, showing significant tumor reduction in a high percentage of patients. They are moving forward with further trials and planning for a phase 3 study. However, it's important to remember that these are still early results. Clinical trials are complex and things can change as more data becomes available. There's no guarantee that the drug will ultimately be approved. It's worth mentioning their advisory vote on executive compensation shows there are some shareholders who do not agree with their named executive officers being paid. In my opinion, Verastem is making progress with its cancer drug development, and the RAMP 25 trial results are definitely encouraging. However, as with any biotech company, there are significant risks involved, especially regarding regulatory approvals and further financing of the drug. The fact that they are pushing forward with the phase 3 trial is a good sign that they feel confident in their data. What are your thoughts on Verastem's future? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more corporate decoder deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.